So here we have, in today's lesson, we've got O and O together in words can make the oo sound. Oo, 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 oo. Okay, can make the oo sound. Okay, so let's put this oo sound into some words. And the first word is food. 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 I want to eat some food. Could be your sentence. Food. 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 Okay, next one we have is spoon. 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 I will eat my food, my cereal, with a spoon. Here we've got two adjacent consonant letters and sounds, so we need to say them quickly together to make a sp sound. Spoon. Spoon. Okay, super. So how many letters does it have? 5 letters and 4 sounds. Spoon. 4 sounds there. Spoon. Okay, so next one we have is school. 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 The H doesn't make the sound, it makes no sound. So the H makes no sound in this word, okay? No sound at all. School. So how many letters does school have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. How many sounds? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you've got 2 adjacent consonants here. We need to say them together quickly. School, with a silent H there. Okay, so let's say them all again together. Say it with me at home to practice, like always. Food, food. Spoon, spoon. And school, school. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.